So I'll be showing you how you can change the location of a photo in your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you have location data or location tags enabled and your phone automatically adds location information, you can actually change that location. Maybe you want to send it to someone and you want to maybe trick them into thinking you're in a different location. Here's how to do that. So let's take a photo like this one, for instance, which I just took with my Galaxy phone. So when you go to the three dots in the bottom bottom right corner, and tap on details, you can actually see the location data or location information of that particular photo. So to change that location, you can just hit edit. That shows all the other metadata for your photo. So our location is here, okay? So what you can do is tap on the minus icon to delete that location that is there currently. So just tap on that. That's going to remove the location information. It's going to say no location information, but then you have a plus symbol there, which you can tap on, and it's going to give you a map. And from the map, you can choose anywhere you want. You can even search. Let's say you want to put this location. There you go. You want to put a location like that. You can now even zoom in and be more specific and tap on the location you want that photo to be, and then tap on done. And as you can see, we now have a new location for the photo. Make sure you tap on save to save that change. And now when someone comes to the photo, or when you send it to someone and they try to look at the location details, they're going to see that new location. So that's basically how you can change the location of a photo using your Samsung Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.